Rain or shine, we're back here in Salmon River once again.
Welcome to 24114 56th Avenue. With approximately 3,000 square feet of living space, this beautifully maintained and updated rancher with a basement sits on a prime flat 1-acre lot with the potential of an in-law suite. Plus, there is a large detached workshop. This home is ready to move in or build your dream home.
If you'd like more information on this listing or any of our listings, please give us a call at 778-322-7696. I'm Sherry.
And I'm Manpreet Sidhu with the Sherry Saran Real Estate Group, where creating better lives is our purpose.